Building AI agents for your apps.
AI agents.
AI agents that you can...
The AI agent.
AI agents.
AI agents are so advanced that you can...
AI agents and automations here.
AI agent system to create.
If you haven't heard anything about AI agents of late, especially if you're someone that's tuned into what's happening within the AI space currently, then you've probably been living under a rock. I'm going to walk you through some examples of AI agents and why they are relevant to us as content creators, e-commerce store owners, founders, entrepreneurs. If you don't jump on the bandwagon right now, you will get left behind, because this is the new version of the internet. You're either learn and do it yourself, or you're going to have to pay someone that can actually do this. Let me give some examples. So with AI automation, we're talking about platforms like Zapier, Make.com, for example. Think if X happens, do Y. An automation follows preset rules like a flowchart or recipe. For example, an email going to a Google Sheet. You get a new customer email via Gmail. Zapier grabs the email, it adds the name and email to a Google Sheet. So it works every time the same way. It can't think, adapt, or make decisions. Another example of your typical AI automation, order confirmation. So someone buys your product, Make.com sends a confirmation email and updates your inventory. Great for repetitive admin tasks. It doesn't understand the customer or situation. Now, when it comes to AI agents, platforms like SmithOS, it could be like a virtual assistant that thinks, reasons, and adapts. So agents have goals, they can make decisions, and even ask questions back. Here's the first example. Let's say you're handling a complex customer query. A customer sends a vague message like, hey, I bought something last week and haven't heard back. The AI agent will search your orders across platforms, check if the order was shipped, draft a personalized reply based on what it finds, ask you or the customer for more details if needed to best resolve the issue. So it understands context and makes decisions. It follows multi-step reasoning, and it can loop back and retry if it hits a dead end. Let's say, for example, you get 50 customer messages a day about refunds, shipping, sizing, etc. An AI agent built into SmithOS can understand each message, match it with the correct order, policy, or frequently asked questions, give smart responses, and even escalate complex ones. So in a nutshell, it acts like a smart employee, learns from your standard operating procedures, tools, and can act as your brand voice as well. As someone who's got absolutely no experience, this agent that I have built here goes out and it does topic research for me for my YouTube video based on a set of instructions that I have submitted. The beauty of it is it was able to make quite a lot of intelligent decisions in terms of making the script for me. As you can see here, there's all these different components, kind of like this is the brain in order for it to make that decision, get you the right information, and display that information into this chat tab here. And all I can do here is basically just copy this, put it onto a Google Word document or something like that, and I've got my script ready. I'm going to do a quick demo here so you can see what I mean. I'm going to ask it here to create me another variation of this same script based on the same topic. So I'm just going to submit my request there, and it's now able to build me a script pretty quickly here. It knows the word count that I prefer, it knows the tone that I prefer in the script, it knows various bits that are important to me as a content creator when it comes to building a YouTube video script. I've given it YouTube content creators that I look up to, that I'm trying to align my content close to. It's got an idea of the goals. The clearer, the better the result that it's going to give you here. In terms of how you can go about starting creating an AI agent from scratch, once you sign into SmithOS, which again I've linked in the description, you'll see a homepage where you can submit information onto this area right here. What agent can I help you build? This is where you can start your journey into playing around and getting an idea of what sort of agents you can build from scratch. At the bottom here, you can see ones that I've already created. You've got SEO, blog post writer, LinkedIn post generator, YouTube SEO content generator, email outreach writer. You can see it's a team of digital people that you can use in your business, whether you're a content creator or an entrepreneur, whatever it is you're doing, that simplifies some of the processes that you follow on a daily basis. Thinking about me, for example, as a content creator, to make videos such as the one that you're watching right now, there's creating thumbnails, writing scripts, research, title generation, SEO on videos, music. There is a ton of stuff that I need to spend time researching. There's blog articles that I might be writing based on this same script. There's TikTok photo posts, there's Instagram posts, there's posts on X and various other platforms. It's a lot to do. So to take some of that work off your shoulders and give you time to do more of what you enjoy to do, this is where AI agents come in. If you want to take a shortcut and start even quicker rather than creating your own AI agent from scratch, and again, I will do a video walking you through that process. It's so much easier than I thought. Ignoring all these different tabs here, which we can always come back to in a future video, you can jump straight into templates here. And as you can see, there's various different templates depending on your use case and who you are that you can remix, take the template and use it as your own, make some changes to it, publish it as your own, and from there you've already got your AI agent. So if, for example, I go into LinkedIn post generator here, click on it, if I click remix, it's going to create a version that I can then customize and use on my own, eventually maybe deploy onto places like ChatGPT and maybe use it as a lead magnet, sell it for a price or whatever you feel might be the best use case for you. Various different areas you can cover here: founder research agent, academic quiz master, Azure Vision, Asana task manager. As you can see, lots and lots and lots of use cases, and you can see why agents are just taking over the internet at the moment. The next phase of the internet is kicking in hard, and it's definitely going to be AI driven agents that are doing all this research, doing all this work for you. People are no longer going to go on Google to search for stuff. They're just going to go on ChatGPT. They're just going to go on Gemini, Claude, and that LLM is then going to go out and find all the information you're looking for, including using agents like this as well. The other thing is you can also whitelist them, which means you can actually sell them as your own service, provided you've got the right subscription. If, for example, I was to take this Jira Service Desk agent, remix it, you'll see what happens here. It's going to load onto my own workspace. Once it's done, from there, I can essentially customize it to my use cases. You could be someone that works within the marketing industry. You could be someone that works within the fashion industry, within the health industry. What are your use cases? You could be a content creator. What use cases are best for you or your customers that you think you can use this agent here in order to accommodate? You've got here Agent Weaver. This is the agent that walks you through the process of creating other AI agents. So it essentially guides you, it asks you questions in order for it to create the best possible version of that agent. And upon playing around with it, what I like about Agent Weaver, it will not budge. It will not create an agent for you until you've given it enough information for it to give you the best possible result. But that's quite easily done because, of course, you've got ChatGPT to help you create a prompt. So you can see this whole ecosystem where you're using one AI tool to generate ideas to use in another AI tool. And you can just see where things are going in the next couple of years when it comes to the AI and internet space. So really exciting time to be alive. The next video in this series, I am going to walk you through how to create your own AI agent from scratch. Again, it's so much easier than you think. If by the time you see this video, I've already created that next video, it'll be linked in the description. It might be somewhere on the screen or in the pinned comment, so you can go ahead and watch that. AI agent creation simplified for the everyday person like you and me. Let me know what you think to the series. Let me know in the comments if you have got any question around AI agents and how you can make the best of them in your domain.